Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a simple looking math expression that many people fail to solve. 3 minus 1 as 2 and 3 minus 1 as 2 and 2 times 2 as 4, which is the incorrect answer. When you have given multiple operation, then you have to follow PEMDAS rule, which is also known as BODMAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. Here, P stands for parenthesis. E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, and D stands for division. Both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. So let's rewrite the expression and solve it by using PEMDAS rule. So first solve the parenthesis. So rewrite the left out terms. 3 minus 1 is 2 and put the multiplication sign in between. Now we have two operations, that is subtraction and multiplication, but we have to give priority to multiplication first. So it's 3 minus 2, that is 1. So what is the correct answer? 1, not 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.